Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a super cute kawaii turtle slow, sweet, and full of personality. This easy step-by-step tutorial is perfect for anyone who loves gentle animals and adorable characters. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of our fun and creative drawing videos. And here's a fun question for you. If your turtle could have a special talent, what would it be? Tell us in the comments. We can't wait to hear your fun and silly ideas. Let's grab our pencils and start drawing. Great job, artists! Your kawaii turtle looks absolutely adorable and full of charm. Thanks for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other cute animal drawings. We've got a whole world of kawaii characters waiting for you. Keep practicing, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.